Rolling Daytona 2023, the first campaign of our third annual Rolling USA Series. Swing into the dealership today, pick up your Rolling Daytona voucher, and register to win a brand new 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. When you register, be sure to enter your voucher number, and if you win that new Harley-Davidson motorcycle, you'll receive a bonus prize of $1,000. Additional prizes include a trip to Daytona Bike Week happening March 3rd through the 12th, a Rolling USA Jesse James Bourbon branded Dean electric guitar, Rolling USA swag bags, and more. Swing by the dealership today, pick up your Rolling Daytona voucher, and register to win big. You can be one of 10 lucky qualifiers standing on stage with me as we celebrate Daytona Bike Week. If your key starts that motorcycle, you riding off on a brand new Harley-Davidson Street Glide. Swing into the dealership today. We are Rolling Daytona. Pa-pow!